Here's a follow-up video we put together for the river table that we had the split river. First, we're showing you a board that we had sheathing tape on, and we placed this sheathing tape all over it, and then we used paint tape to build a dam, and then we poured tabletop epoxy inside of this, which was tinted with the same colorant we will use in the deep pour later on. Once that cured, we broke it off the board, and it was a straight piece. It was still somewhat pliable. However, once we put it on a table and added some 5-gallon buckets, we were able to allow it to cure for another day or two, and then that's when it got pretty hard. So we had some pliability just 24 hours afterwards of pouring that it was solid enough, and now we were able to cure it and put a shape in it. The next part of this, we're going to show putting the shape, which is going to be the divider between the orange and the blue epoxy we're going to put in this table. What we did here is we put the shape in our form with our live edge, and we used our quick set epoxy to seal it to the bottom of the frame. This would make sure that any epoxy we poured on each side for the deep river did not mix and flow. And here's right after the epoxy has been poured and everything's been sealed up. We had no leaks. We're popping some bubbles right here, and we were just hoping that we wouldn't get any leaks. And as you can see, there's part of that divide, that dam is quite a bit taller, but we cut that off later after it cured, and we sanded the whole thing flat, and it actually became pretty invisible, which you'll see here in just a few minutes. Again, this is the WiseBond deep pour epoxy that we used. We colored it with carrot gold, and I believe the blue is deep ocean, and those are available on our website for purchase as well, along with alcohol inks and some solid pigments. So here it is after it's cured. We didn't get any cracks, which was awesome of WiseBond. And then here it is after we did our flood coat. We had sanded it, squared it off, and it's just really beautiful. You can barely tell that there was a divider at all in between the two to do the split river. So we were real happy with this. So hope you all enjoyed watching the video, and check out WiseBond and some other cool things we'll be doing in the future.